Hello guys, and welcome back to Plugin. In this video, I'll show you how to add a document viewer in WordPress using our WP display file. And after watching this video, if you have any doubt left, then you can watch our first video about WP display file plugin, where we've covered all the details. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel. Now if you remember, we've created file and folder listing page. In our first video about WP display file, just open that page. Now as you can see, there is no preview for document files. Now how you can add preview to this, just go back and hover your mouse to plugin. Now click on plugin list. Now search for Docs Viewer for WordPress. Now just hit download. Now hit activate. Now this plugin is added in your WP display file. Now go to WP display file. Now if you cannot see new option is added as Docs Viewer, then just go to plugin and manually activate this plugin. Now if we come back and hit refresh, now as you can see the doc viewer option, here we have the option to adjust the pop-up size. I'll leave it as it is. Now just go back and hit refresh. Now if you click on any document file, you can see there is an option to view those file. Now your users won't be confused about whether they are downloading a wrong document or not. And that's all folks. This was very simple step, but if you have any doubt left, you can watch our first video about WP display file. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.